Right here we got the Extang Trifecta 2.0. You can see it's this nice marine vinyl. The frame's built tough. With most of those other soft folding covers, the frame bows up. This one sits nice and flush. Can't see the frame at all. The clips are super easy to use and they fold right up into the frame, so you don't have to worry about those flying around. Folds twice just like this. You can see these clips folding into place. They're not going to be moving around. You can see how nice and detailed this weather stripping is. It's going to keep your stuff dry. No dust is going to get inside here. You got straps on both sides, so if you need to haul your tools, haul your bags, and you want to keep it open, you got straps on both sides. And from underneath, you can see this cover is just clamped on. If the day comes you want to take this off, all you have to do is pop these clamps off. The cover comes right off. It's secure when you close it all the way back. You latch up both sides. And you lock your tailgate. You can't get in, you can't lift up the cover. This cover has a lifetime warranty, nationwide and through our store on 26th Street in McDowell. All it takes is just 30 minutes. You're going to be in and out of here with the best soft folding cover in the nation.